Should open my own shop, my own store, the Thick Store. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. These are the wheels that actually came on my M3. They're like competition fakes, like they're not real or anything, but they're in pretty bad shape. They're super beat up. So I'm actually gonna take them to a company. It's called Prince Wheels here locally in North Carolina. They're actually located in Monroe, but they're gonna take care of all the curb rash on them, fix them up, get them nice and perfect, and then actually paint them silver. So like the OE silver competition wheels, that's the look I'm going for these. I don't have any silver wheels. Fun fact, my other set of variants just showed up. So we have 3 sets of wheels now. We have the black ones, and then we have whatever ones these are, and then we have these ones that are now gonna be silver. So just to like show you guys how bad these are, super chewed up, like the entire edge. And basically every wheel is like that. These guys over at Prince Wheels basically will take any wheel and completely refurbish it, make it look brand new, and you can get it painted in all kinds of crazy different colors. But I'm doing powder coating and just basic quicksilver, your most OE silver finish. So I think it's gonna look really good. I just wanna have another set of wheels and another option in terms of like colors that go on the car. So I think these will look really good in silver. I really do like the design of these, so there's nothing really wrong with them. I just need to get the curb rash fixed and then obviously paint them in the color that I want, and we'll be good to go. So I got a bunch of stuff I gotta get done today. I gotta take these new variants over to Sensational and get them ceramic coated for when we do the wrap next week. I'm gonna be putting these ones on the car. But before that, we're gonna run out to Prince Wheels and deliver these black wheels. I kinda wanna make this video a before and after to show you guys the condition of the wheels now and then show you what they look like after Prince is done with doing their whole thing to them. So this video will be span over like a few days until I pick them back up. And then I'll show you how they look once they actually finish. But let's go ahead and pull the M3 up, throw these in the car, and then head over to Prince. All right, so we got them in the car. So basically just like a bunch of wheel stuff that we have to get done today. It's gonna be a wheelie good day. I'm an idiot, I'm sorry, I had to. All right, so we're gonna head over to Prince Wheels real quick and get these wheels fixed up. I'm just gonna drop them off. They said it takes about like 4 or 5 days, which I was actually really surprised because that's like, seems fast. So like completely fix a set of wheels, completely change the color, cure them, everything, 4 or 5 days. But if you guys have never ceramic coated wheels before, it's just the way to go. So easy to keep them clean. I could never continue to own another car unless it was like a complete beater that wasn't completely ceramic coated, because it just saves you so much time. It just keeps everything so much cleaner down the road. All right, so I just dropped the wheels off at Prince and we're gonna let them do their thing about 4 or 5 days. So I'm gonna catch back up with you guys in this video. Fast forward like 4 or 5 days when we get the wheels back, and we'll see how good they look. Project car check. I'll hop in the rental, boys. We rolling now, boys. Like sick. About to put boot mode on this thing. Let's go. What is happening, guys? I hope you are doing well. We are continuing this video from a couple of previous videos a few days ago when I brought my stock wheels over to Prince Wheels. They were all beat up, and it turns out they were actually, 2 of them were really, really bent. They called me and asked if I wanted to have them bent back. Of course, I said yes. So those wheels were in really bad shape, and it's no wonder why they were making the car drive so bad when I first bought it. That it had a lot to do with just how beat up those wheels actually were. But the wheels are done. They sent me a photo of the wheels finished and they look insane. I cannot wait to get the wheels back. The car is getting wrapped right now. That's why you see me in this super sick Nissan M3. It's like 70 degrees here today in Charlotte, North Carolina on December, whatever, 30th, I think it is today. Crazy. I will take it. I'm not complaining. That is amazing. So you guys are seeing this after the car reveal. I hope you like the new color, man. It is so, I absolutely love it. And I'm actually really excited to show you guys these wheels refinished in silver because I think they're gonna look really good on the M3. So the nice part about it is I have the gold wheels, which are for shows, and then I have the black wheels, which are gonna be like my everyday use wheels, a little more stealth setup, and then I have these silver wheels, and my plan for the silver wheels is to make them more of like my track setup wheels. Now, ideally, my track wheels would be 18s, but gotta work with what we have. So these are 19s. I don't have to pay for new wheels. I just had to pay to get these ones refinished, which really wasn't that expensive. And then I'll get some new tires in from Continental and we will be good to go. The other good thing about these new tires from Continental is I'm going with a taller sidewall. So they're 35s versus 30s. They just have a little bit more meat to them and they ride a ton better and I think they look a lot better. The old setup I had, there was a lot of stretch going on and there just really wasn't enough sidewall and you felt everything. So anytime that you increase the sidewall like that, you end up getting a much better ride overall. I will say it is nice having this rental car around because I can just run errands in it. It's super easy, you don't have to worry about it at all. That's the only thing about having another car that I really, really miss. Is that you can just get like the daily errands done without taking like your show car everywhere. I gotta get another car soon. Because as the M3 progresses into more modifications and becomes more of a show car, it's just more difficult to like take it everywhere when you're just doing like basic errands and stuff. Those aren't the kind of miles I want to put on it. I want to put like actual driving miles on it. There's an M3 behind me, E90 or E92 M3, and I got that M3 badge on the back of this Nissan, bro. I think that's so funny. He's probably like, what the heck is this kid doing? What an idiot. I mean, he's not wrong. He's like, dude, take that badge off your car. That's not a real M3. All right, pulling up to Prince Wheels. You guys, if you are in the Charlotte area and you need your wheels refinished, resprayed, restraightened, this is in fact the place to come. Prince Wheels. Check it out, these look so good. So they were all basically curbed and then two of them were pretty bent up and they fixed everything. And then obviously we went with a BMW silver. They look really, really good. Heck yeah. Cool, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem.
What's the dog's name?
Don't know.
Just dog.
It's from 2 buildings over.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Just the neighbor.
Yep.
Hey, buddy. Very cool. Dude, those turned out so good. I've never had a set of silver wheels. I just realized that. Like, except for the wheels that like came on the car, I've never had a set of silver wheels on any of my builds. So that's cool. I think like silver is just like a classy, it's like classic. You know what I mean? Like silver with that blue is gonna look so good. But they did a fantastic job, man. They did that quick too, like 3-4 days. They knocked it out. But yeah, so I guess they call that color BMW silver. Looks phenomenal. It's really, really nice. Now I'm gonna take the wheels over to Sensational, get them ceramic coated, and we're good. Get those tires ordered in from Continental and we are all set. But yeah, you guys, that was just a little update video on what's going on with those wheels. I had some people asking questions. It's nice to have another set. Super stoked. Thank you so much, Prince Wheels, for knocking it out of the park fast, efficiently, and just a quality job, man. It's hard to find companies that just like kill it like that, and they did such a good job. So huge thank you to Prince Wheels. If you guys are in the North Carolina area and you need your wheels refinished or redone, make sure you take them to Prince. Those are definitely the guys to go to. I actually heard about that company from my buddy Matt. You guys might know of him on Instagram as M2 Ghost, and he had his BBS wheel service there. They do a killer job. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy them. Let me know what you think about the silver wheels. You excited to see them on the car? I think they're gonna look really, really good. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video's over. I'm out. Peace.